Welcome to Dahilayan Adventure Park, home of the Philippines' longest dual zipline. Breathtaking views and adrenaline-pumping rides. Whether you're here for fun, challenge, or unforgettable memories, Dahilayan is our next big adventure begins. Here in Dahilayan, rain is pretty common. It usually starts around 2 p.m. onwards. That's why it's best to finish all the rides before the rain hits. We are here in Dahilayan and we will try all the rides here. We are here to shoot for the feed. We have a ticket that includes 6 exciting rides to experience. First on the list is the 840 Meter Zipline, the Razorback Mountain Coaster, and the 320 and 150 Meter Zipline. Fifth is the Drop Zone. Adventure will ride the Python Roller Zip. So we're about to start our first ride here in Dahilayan, the 840 Meter Zipline. We're all geared up and getting ready to launch. Hello guys, we're getting ready for the Philippines. One of the longest zipline here in the Philippines. So yeah, let's go! Hello guys, for our first challenge, we have this 840 meters zipline. First risk is we will use our cell phone without phone holder. The 840 meter zipline at Dahilayan was once the longest dual zipline in Asia. You launch from an elevation of over 4,700 feet above sea level. That's higher than most of the buildings in Metro Manila. It's not just a ride. It's a flight through the skies of Bukidnon. Challenge, we will go to Razorback. Let's go! Maximum speed! The Razorback Mountain Coaster is the first alpine coaster in the Philippines. It lets you control your speed as you ride solo or tandem through sharp turns, twists, and slopes down a forested mountain trail. We are done for a Razorback challenge and it was so fun, scalable, experience overall is 9/10 and Razorback challenge is so good. Now we are heading for the zip zone for the 320 meters and 150 meters. Here we go, we'll try this and let's have some more fun. Thanks. The 320 meter and 150 meter ziplines at Dahilayan are perfect for the first timers and families who want a milder adventure. You'll glide through the cool mountain air with scenic views of the pine trees and rolling hills. It's shorter than 840 meter zipline but still packed with excitement. Guys, we are done for the 340 meters at 320 meters and 140 meters zipline. So far it was good and it was fun. Overall experience, we have 8/10 for the zipline and fun is I think 8/10 also. So yeah, we're heading for the drop zone for our next ride. Hopefully we can conquer this extreme drop zone. Thank you. So this is the drop zone. Let's go.
Be ready.
Oh my god. Hey guys, so as for the moment, we won't have use any cell phone. We can't have use any cell phone. So yeah. For next, let's go.
Bitaw, bitaw, let's go.
The drop zone in the Dahilayan Adventure Park lets you experience a free fall from 120 feet high. That's like jumping off a 12-story building. You'll pull your own ripcord and swing at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. It's not for the faint of heart, but perfect for adrenaline junkies.
3, 2, 1, go!
Are done in our drop zone, and for so far experience, syempre 10/10 for fun, and for the experience, for extreme, like really bro, I will rate it by 1000/10, so worth it. Hello guys, we are going to the Python roller zipline. That's the last of our challenge. I hope you enjoy for the last ride. Hey guys, so we're going to the next ride called the Python roller zip for our last ride. Thanks. The Python roller zipline is the first of its kind in the Philippines. Roller zipline that snakes, dips, and curves like a real python. Unlike the straight ziplines, this one gives you unexpected turns and side-to-side motion, making it one of the most unique and exciting rides in the park. It's not just a zip, it's a full-on roller coaster in the air. We're done with all our rides, so we headed to the restaurant to grab some lunch. For now, we're just chilling and enjoying our meal while waiting for the rain to stop. Up next, we're heading to explore the Alpine Village. The Alpine Village in Dahilayan is inspired by European mountain towns, with its charming cabins, cozy ambience, and cold Bukidnon breeze. It's the perfect spot to relax, take photos, and enjoy the scenery. Hello everyone, we're done here in Dahilayan Adventures. We have a total of 6 rides. So now we are ranking the best of the rides overall. So number 1 is the Razorback, which is so fun. Number 2 is the Zipline, longest zipline at 400 meters. Number 3 is the drop zone. Number 4 is the Python zipline. Number 5 and 6 is the zipline, 320 and 40 meters. So overall, it's a fun experience. Thank you, Dahilayan. See you in the next adventure.